Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's black. Under the hood is a 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo pushing out 241 horsepower. Standard on the GLC are front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke wheels with tires that are in good condition. A silk beige MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch. GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. All season floor mats, cargo cover, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside here, this one does come with the premium package, which is going to give you keyless entry, blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, memory seats, heated seats, power windows, heated steering wheel, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera, nice wood trim, dual climate controls, radio, our cup holders, our buttons for our multimedia system, and dynamic select driving settings. This vehicle has 41,764 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC, check out feldmanimports.com.